Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can swap on Bitget, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Bitget app on your phone. Once you have done that, this is how the interface gonna look like. So for the swapping purpose, you're gonna tap on this option of trade at the bottom. Then right afterwards, you might be in the spot, margin, or wherever you might be. Simply switch to convert option, which is the other word for the swap. Then right over here, I'm going to choose the currency that I would like to swap. That can be it, and to USDT. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to checking out the preview. I'm going to adding the balance, how much of I do have available. You can see I have none available right now, but you can add however much you would like to convert. It will automatically show the worth of it, and then tap on this little converting icon in the middle and it will show you the convert, and you can also check out the preview once I've entered the amount. Now you can choose to do that as many times as you want by choosing different right over here, and you can tap on this little icon and it can go either way. So that is basically how you will be able to do it. It's a very easy process. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.